Today I am going to explain question number 5 of exercise 4.2. Here the question is, the altitude of right triangle is 7 cm less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 cm, find the other two sides. Here question says that the altitude of right triangle is 7 cm less than its base. बेस से एल्टीट्यूड 7 सेंटीमीटर कम है, ठीक है. इफ द हाइपोटेन्यूज इज 13 सेंटीमीटर्स, गिवन हाइपोटेन्यूज इज 13 सेंटीमीटर्स. ओके, फाइंड द अदर टू साइड्स. हियर वी नीड टू फाइंड द अदर टू साइड्स. ओके, we need to find altitude and base of a right triangle. Okay, this is a right triangle, this is base, this is altitude, this is hypotenuse. Okay, given hypotenuse is 13 centimeters. Okay, so here we need to find the base of a right triangle. So we assume base of a right triangle be x centimeters. Okay, solution, let the base of a right triangle be x centimeters. Given that the altitude of right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. Okay, base से हम 7 माइनस करेंगे तो हमारा एल्टीट्यूड आ जाएगा, ठीक है. गिवन द एल्टीट्यूड ऑफ राइट ट्राइंगल बी x minus 7 centimeters. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem we know hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. Okay, Pythagoras theorem states that in a right triangle hypotenuse square side is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. Okay, here hypotenuse is 13. Okay, hypotenuse square, that is 13 whole square, is equals to base is x, base square, that is x square, plus altitude is x minus 7. Okay, that is altitude square plus x minus 7 whole square. Okay, 13 into 13 is 169 is equals to x square plus x minus 7 whole square is in the form of a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, here a is x, b is 7. A square, that is x square. Okay, plus b square plus 7 square minus 2ab, 2 into x into 7. Okay, 169 is equals to x square plus x square, that is 2x square plus 7 sevens are 49. Okay, plus 49 minus 2 sevens are 14 into x, that is minus 14x. 169 is equals to 2x square minus 14x plus 49. Okay, 2x square minus 14x plus 49. I am taking 169 on right hand side, so it will become minus 169 is equals to 0. 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169, that is minus 120. Okay, is equals to 0. We'll take 2 common. Okay, 2 into x square, that is 2x square, 2 into minus 7x, that is minus 14. 2 7s are 14. Okay, minus 14x minus 2 60s are 120. Okay, minus 120 is equals to 0. X square minus 7x minus 60 is equals to 0 by 2. Okay, x square minus 7x minus 60 is equals to 0 by anything is 0. Okay, here we need to factorize using splitting middle term method. We have to split the middle term. Okay, so we need two factors so that by adding and subtracting we should get minus 7. Okay, हमें ऐसे दो फैक्टर्स चाहिए जिसे ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट करने में हमें minus 7 आए. ओके, फर्स्ट विल मल्टीप्लाई कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर बाई लास्ट टर्म. हियर कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर इज 1, लास्ट टर्म इज minus 60. That is 1 into minus 60 is equals to minus 60. Product is equals to minus 60. Okay, थोड़ी देर के लिए हम माइनस साइन को इग्नोर करेंगे. ओके, सो विल फाइंड आउट द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 60. ओके, 60, 2 3s are 6, 0, 2 30s are 60, 2 15s are 30, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. Okay, multiply 2 into 3. Okay, that is 2 to the 4, 4 3s are 12. Okay, 5 1s are 5, 5 comma 12. 5 and 12 are the factors of 60. Okay, 5 12s are 60. Okay, here coefficient of x is minus 7. Okay, minus 7 is equals to 5 minus 12. Okay, minus 7x can be written as plus 5x minus 12x. Okay, x square minus 7x minus 60 is equals to 0. X square plus 5x minus 12x minus 60 is equals to 0. Okay, take x common. X into x, that is x square. X into 5, that is plus 5x. Take minus 12 common. Minus 12 into x, that is 12x, minus 12x. Minus 12 into 5, that is 60. 12 5 is 60, is equals to 0. X minus 12, x plus 5 is common. Okay, x plus 5 is equals to 0. X minus 12 is equals to 0. X plus 5 is equals to 0. Okay, x is equals to 12, x is equals to minus 5. Okay, base cannot be negative value. Okay, minus 5 is rejected. Okay, base is equals to, that is x, 12 centimeters. Altitude is equals to, that is x minus 7. X is 12. 12 minus 7, that is 5 centimeters. Therefore, the base of the given triangle is 12 centimeters and the altitude of this triangle will be 5 centimeters. Okay.